Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our Python programming tutorial series. Today, we're going to dive into medical imaging and learn how to work with DICOM images. Further, we will go through zero padding around the image. DICOM is a widely used format for medical images like X-rays and MRIs. We'll cover how to load a DICOM image, manipulate its dimensions, and visualize it using Python. Now we move to Python 3 through Anaconda Environment. Step 1. Importing libraries. The first thing we need to do is import the libraries we'll be using. We'll need Numpy for numerical operations, Matplotlib for visualization, and DICOM for handling DICOM files. Import Numpy as NP. To visualize the images, import Matplotlib. PyPlot is PLT. Import DICOM. DICOM is library for DICOM operations. Step 2. Loading the DICOM image. We start by loading a DICOM image using the DICOM DCMRead function. Remember to replace the file path with the actual path to your DICOM image file. Step 3. Visualizing the original DICOM image. Let's visualize the original DICOM image using a grayscale color map. Show. Step 4. Preparing for padding. We need to define the original dimensions of the image and the desired new dimensions for the padded image. Step 5. Creating a padded image. Now we'll create a new image matrix filled with zeros, which will be our padded image. Step 6. Calculating indices for centering. We calculate the indices where the original image will be placed in the center of the padded image. Step 7. Copying the original image. We copy the original image to the center of the padded image using the calculated indices. Step 8. Visualizing the padded image. Finally, let's visualize the original and padded images side by side. PLT. Show. And there you have it. In this tutorial, we've learned how to load a DICOM image, pad it to a desired size, and visualize both the original and padded images using Python. This preprocessing step is essential for maintaining consistent dimensions in medical imaging datasets. Make sure to explore further and integrate these techniques into your healthcare-related image analysis projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials about image processing.